Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why having a well-stocked pantry is crucial. It saves money by reducing impulse purchases and food waste. It ensures you always have ingredients for a quick, healthy meal. And it reduces stress during busy times or emergencies. Key items for your pantry include whole grains like rice, pasta, and quinoa, canned beans and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and of course, dried herbs and spices. Next up, a versatile tuna pasta salad. Cook pasta and let it cool. Mix it with canned tuna, canned corn, and any canned vegetables you have on hand. Dress it with olive oil, vinegar, and dried herbs. For extra crunch and nutrition, add nuts or seeds. This dish provides omega-3 fatty acids from the tuna and a good balance of macronutrients. Remember, even when options are limited, try to include a source of protein in each meal. Add vegetables whenever possible, even if they're canned. Choose whole grains over refined grains. And use herbs and spices to add flavor without extra calories. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more budget-friendly, healthy eating tips. Share your favorite pantry meals in the comments below.